Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Start with a strong foundation. In this video, I will explain how to make green salad for gym diet. Select nutrient-dense greens such as spinach or kale as your base. Add a vibrant mix of vegetables like bell peppers, cucumbers, and carrots for a spectrum of vitamins and fiber. Remember to wash all your produce meticulously to ensure cleanliness and freshness before you begin assembling your salad. Now, let's talk about fueling your body. Integrate lean protein sources such as grilled chicken breast, canned tuna, or chickpeas to support muscle recovery and growth. Don't forget healthy fats. A quarter of an avocado, a small handful of almonds, or a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil will provide essential fatty acids and aid nutrient absorption. Aim for protein to constitute roughly 1/3 of your salad's total volume. Flavor is key to making your gym salad enjoyable and sustainable. Choose light, homemade dressings to avoid excess sugars and sodium often found in store-bought options. A simple vinaigrette made with apple cider vinegar, a touch of olive oil, and a pinch of salt and pepper works wonderfully. Enhance the taste further with fresh herbs like parsley or cilantro and a sprinkle of black pepper for a natural kick. To maintain consistency with your gym diet, meal prepping is essential. Wash and chop your vegetables, cook your protein, and store them in separate containers. This makes assembling your salad quick and easy, even on busy days. Always keep your dressing separate until just before eating to ensure your greens stay crisp and fresh. For more great deals and to grab your little tree's black ice, check out the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.